Our plan, and we've done this globally, Ben, is we come up with a limited production crew. So we'll have staggered shifts. We would be on straight time. We've allowed time at the beginning of shifts for safety stand downs. Also time for the employees to clean their stations to prevent any issues between shifts. We've also limited the number of shifts we'll bring back across the globe and certain plants. We've done a lot of work on safety systems. We're working through where we're putting fiberglass shields you've seen in grocery stores between stations. We stretched out our material logistics groups so they're separated. And those stations that we have people inside 6 feet, we're going to have a mandatory requirement of safety glasses or a shield, along with a mask they will all have on. So we're very confident. We've proven that out in China and also in Europe. The line speeds will stay the same because they're so complicated to make changes in the line speed themselves. But there may be certain areas where we have spacing or gaps in the system based on the schedules. But it'll be the shifts, how we do it, and also separating the shifts to allow time between the shifts. But there will not be a line speed change to accommodate the process. It'd be almost impossible to do that across our assembly operations globally.
I think our playbook is benchmark. By the way, we've been running for many weeks already in China and FCSD, and haven't had an issue. The reality of our industrial system in the U.S. is that it's completely intertwined. We have multiple suppliers in Michigan, for example, that supply Kansas City or our Kentucky plants. We have multiple plants that rely on Mexico. We've always approached this as a integrated start. Now, in Europe, it's a bit different. Our UK engine facilities there will be starting later than our assembly plants, and the reason for that is we have the powertrain, on site in many of our assembly plants. We can do it, and everything is safe. But in the U.S., we've looked at it as a complete ecosystem, like I mentioned, and we have to bring up the system all at the same time.